Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is going to be really a short video. Not even sure why I'm doing it, but I completed my dad's semi-professional vise restoration. Basically, I cleaned it up and painted it, whatever. But the vise was too heavy to mount on the wall like I wanted it, so I mounted the other vise to the wall. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this vise on one of my old bench stands. And then that way, if I need a vise, I'll be able to pick it up and bring it to where I need it, or I can take it outside, work on something outside. But, you know, the value of these old Craftsman Vises, I just couldn't bring, I couldn't let my mom just get rid of it. There's a lot of history behind it. So I'm just going to set it up for this bench grinder stand, and then I'll just be able to move it when I want and move it out of the way because it's so big and heavy. So, yeah, get into this. So if you hear a little something, that's the heater in the background. So we're just going to mount this up to the stand here, and I'm going to mark where the bolts are going to go in. Real easy, real simple. And I've already got one hole that's pretty close here, and it looks like the bolt will go through it. So yeah, we'll just kind of step drill the holes in here and then just bolt this vise to the mount here, and then I can move it as I need to. Now I've already got one hole tapped in there, and the difficult part is getting the hole drilled. Might have to take a punch here, and we're just going to take a punch to the center of where I marked my hole and tap it so the drill bit will drill into where I need it to drill. We'll punch one more hole here. Then we'll go ahead and get started here. What I did when I redid my other Craftsman Vise, I painted this, all the black parts on this stand, which was probably a mistake. There we go. And again, we're going to use the hammer drill and just the step bit instead of a drill bit here. Once it punches through, it'll start going through. There we go. Okay. If you don't have any of these step drill bits, I'll put a couple links in the description below for the ones that can be used in the hammer type drills, and then ones that can be used in the regular corded drills. I will be absolutely not spraying any more paint in here after I sprayed that red paint when I painted that other Craftsman Vise, because that red overspray has just went over everything. But I didn't have a whole lot of options here because of the temperature. 30 degrees out, you kind of got to heat the garage for the paint. Here we go. Hopefully got them drilled right. I might have to come back and tap one of these holes Well, I think I got it pretty good here. We'll see if we can get these bolts in. I'm actually repurposing these bolts off of the bolts that I got for my wall mounts for my bench grinders. Nope. Well, I got one out of the 4 in. Why the heck would the 2 go in there? Oh my God. Kind of hope I don't destroy the threads here. Out of battery. Oh my God. Here we go again. The battery. Well, my battery power's run out. It's about 18 degrees out here, so I haven't used these air tools in over 1.5 years, so I better oil it. Amsoil link below. So the best air tool oil you can buy. We'll impact these bastards on there. Well, we don't want to loosen it. There we go. There we go. That ain't coming off of there. And now, that air tool oil, it's only about, I don't know how much it is, but it ain't very much, but it lasts a long time. I actually like to use them on some of my knives that I have, but if you order Amsoil through the links below, just add it to the cart if you need to reach a certain amount to get the free shipping as a preferred customer. So just check that out below. This thing ain't going nowhere. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So, yeah, I'm real happy with that. This should never come off of here. I don't think beating on this thing will really affect it too much. So, you know, as an anvil here, I really don't see it moving the bench stand or the legs. Maybe put a bar here or on the bottom of it so you can have leverage. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Still waiting on this garage door. Once this garage door comes in, I can move along a little better. But until then, I'm just stuck on these little projects. Everything I need to do in this garage is dependent on that garage door. So I hired a company to come in and do it, so I didn't have to do it because of the cold, and I need 2 people, and I've just decided to pay somebody. So keep watching, more videos to come. So we'll get back into the power sports stuff, motorcycles, 4-wheelers, ATVs and stuff. It's just going to be a matter of time, guys. So been a real rough 2020. I'm out of here.